Hello YouTube and welcome to my video. I'm growing a watermelon Rosario F1. As you see, it's just about to sprout right here. This is the next day and it came up nicely. I actually planted 2 watermelons but only one of them came. This is a couple of days after, I think it's day 3. And I'm growing with a supplement lighting from Mars Hydro. I'm growing in Coco and I'm about to water it for the first time using some nutrients from Canna nutrients, and these nutrients are specially made for Coco. This is day 6 or 7 here. As I see, I have grown its first true leaf and I'm watering with the nutrient water, and I'm giving it around a liter. The only reason I'm giving 1 liter is because I'm growing in Coco and it holds a lot of oxygen already. You cannot really overwater it, as long as you see I got a bucket under it that will catch the water, so the roots doesn't sit in water. That will kill the plant. It's actually coming up really nicely. I've planted a lot of soil up to the stem so it doesn't fall over as quickly, and it's coming up nicely here with a lot of leaves. Still a pretty slow progress so far. I know that watermelon plants get huge. So here's the watermelon Rosario F1, and it's actually grown pretty nice. I was kind of expecting it to fall over, but as you see, I transplanted it and put some extra soil right up to the start of the first leaves. So I think that is good for the support, and I guess it will fall over when it gets bigger. I'm using a Mars Hydro inside right now because we only get like 5 hours of sunlight here in my balcony. My balcony is right out here, where I'm going to leave it for the last 2 or 3 months of the summer and of its cycle. Right now it's around 3 weeks old, I think, and I hope to get a nice yield, 1 or 2 watermelons from that. Day 24 here, you see, it still haven't fallen over, and I'm about to water it with a little bit of water. And here you got day 26, and it's coming up really nicely, and I think it's about to explode with growth. So guys, stay tuned and drop a like and subscribe. It will really help my channel to grow. I only got around 16 subscribers, so hit that like button and the subscribe button, guys, and see you in the next video.
Are you with me?